Artificial intelligence feels weightless. A question is asked. An answer appears. The process seems effortless, almost magical. But every AI response consumes energy. Every calculation requires electricity. Every model depends on power. And as artificial intelligence becomes more capable, its appetite for energy continues growing. Because intelligence is not created from software alone, it is created from infrastructure, and infrastructure runs on electricity. Every era depends on a source of power. Agricultural societies depended on human labor. Industrial societies depended on coal. Modern economies depend on electricity. And now, the intelligence era is emerging, an era powered by computation. But computation is not free. Every operation consumes energy. Every server requires power. Every data center depends on electricity. The more intelligence society demands, the more energy society must provide.
Something unusual is beginning to happen. The world is not only demanding more intelligence, it is demanding more electricity. Artificial intelligence models are growing larger. Data centers are expanding. Compute requirements are increasing, and energy consumption is rising alongside them. The relationship is simple. More intelligence requires more computation. More computation requires more power. And power is becoming a strategic resource once again.
At its core, artificial intelligence is an energy conversion system. Electricity enters infrastructure. Processors perform calculations. Data moves across networks. Patterns are analyzed. Responses are generated. The result appears as intelligence. But beneath the experience, energy is being transformed into capability. The process repeats continuously, across millions of machines, inside thousands of facilities, around the world. Most people think about artificial intelligence. Few think about the infrastructure behind it. Power plants generate electricity. Transmission networks distribute energy. Substations manage flow. Data centers consume power. Servers perform computation. Artificial intelligence emerges from the system. Every layer depends on another. Because intelligence is not a product. It is the outcome of a complex infrastructure chain, and energy sits at the foundation of that chain. As artificial intelligence expands, energy becomes increasingly important. Technology companies are searching for reliable power. Data centers are being built near energy sources. Governments are evaluating infrastructure capacity. Because electricity is no longer only powering homes and businesses, it is powering intelligence. And intelligence is becoming a critical economic resource. The organizations with abundant energy gain advantages. The organizations without it face limitations. The competition is expanding beyond software into infrastructure. Artificial intelligence is often described as a software revolution, but there is another perspective. It is also an energy revolution, because intelligence at scale requires infrastructure. Infrastructure requires electricity, and electricity determines capability. The future of artificial intelligence may depend as much on energy production as it does on algorithmic innovation, because capability begins where infrastructure exists.
The industrial age required fuel. The information age required connectivity. The intelligence age requires power, not only to illuminate cities, but to power computation, automation, optimization, and intelligence. The future may be built by software, but software alone is not enough. Behind every intelligent system, electricity is doing the work. Modern artificial intelligence depends on energy infrastructure, power generation, transmission networks, data centers, semiconductors, and compute systems. For viewers interested in exploring the relationship between energy and intelligence, additional resources can be found in the description below.
If you want to explore more about artificial intelligence, energy infrastructure, digital systems, and the foundations shaping the modern world, subscribe to NEXNET and comment below. Will energy become the biggest challenge of the intelligence era?
Artificial intelligence appears digital, but its foundations are physical. Beneath every response, every model, every computation, and every breakthrough, a flow of energy is moving continuously, powering machines, powering infrastructure, powering possibility. Because the future of intelligence is not only a story about software, it is a story about power. This is NEXNET, inside the modern internet.